Hey y'all, we're gonna ignore how I look right now. This is the best it's gonna get right now. Okay, this is a level 2. Bear with me, okay? Because yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I've been dealing with for the past week and a half. There's boxes everywhere, have to pack. But yeah, we are moving. The process has begun. I just got in from running some errands. I picked up some groceries. I woke up at 6 a.m. today to get my homework done. No coffee, by the way. Okay. Good morning, y'all. I'm just getting some homework done. This is the last week of classes for me. It's also the last class of the semester before I get a much well-deserved break. I haven't had a full break since last year. This time last year, we only get one a year when you're in grad school because you work all throughout summer. Can you imagine how tired I am? No, I'm really looking forward to getting some rest and relaxing, and we've also got this move going on, so y'all ain't even up yet. Y'all is asleep. Going back to bed, girl. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. That's my Pomodoro timer. I do 2 hours a day on my homework, and I take a 5-minute break every 30 minutes. I put my phone on D&D. I am a D&D warrior, okay? And I got to it. Now it's like 5 p.m. now, so I'm like very, very tired. Like once I hit the 12-hour mark, like the day's over for me, you know. I'm going to sleep, but I have a lot to do tomorrow. We're tying up some loose ends before we get out of here. We are closing on Thursday. Today is Monday. We're closing on Thursday, and then we're moving next Thursday. And this is all around the holiday season. Imagine how tired I'm going to be. So had to turn down a couple of like holiday parties, invites and stuff like that, just because it's gonna be too much going on for us with this move. But I'm excited though. I'm very excited about it all. I'm just tired, and as you can see, stressed. Yeah, stressed and tired. But we're not gonna worry about that. We just still cute. It's still cute. Period. Okay. Yeah. Welcome to the moving vlog. Drop a comment down below. Prayers, sorrows. Okay. Bye, y'all. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Shecky Star. We are looking a mess yet again. No, because we are on our way to a Christmas party. Happy holidays. It's supposed to be an ugly sweater Christmas party. I don't own one of those, so we will be looking, in fact, cute. She did not, in fact, wear an ugly sweater. But I'm in the process of accessorizing, heading out the door. I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful pearl necklace that I got from Mama Mel. Shout out to Mama Mel. You can shop her products in my description box down below. Follow her on Instagram at Unleashed by Mel. She makes body chains, earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and more. Feel free to head on over and check her out. Thanks, Mama Mel.
side win. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On your side, no matter the climbing. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay them beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me.
Your body's burning.